After many years, mysteriously operating in obscurity while only dabbling in behind-the-scenes politics through financing the ruling ZANU-PF party and its leaders, prominent local businessman tycoon KUTYA Tagwirei has emerged out as the shadows to join active politics, aiming very high. Sabina mashoko mudapangwa inoi, the Tagwirei is now aiming to the president, and Tagwirei is emerged out of the shadows. Don't go subscribe or like on the bell icon. Chipina pangwa ine mobda yuko panapa mu the news house on Rabireva Chiti, aiming very high to the presidency. Although he denies presidential ambitions, many believe he wants the job if given a chance. His supporters say he should come in as he could be a generational bridge to the future and change ZANU-PF's leadership and policy direction to capture the bulging youth electorate. Tagwirei was recently co-opted into the ZANU-PF's decision-making central committee and may yet maneuver into the ruling party Politburo and cabinet in his bid to lead the country. His supporters say Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, who is locked in a succession battle with the President Emmerson Mnangagwa, tried to block him, but eventually failed. Tagwirei's financial muscle prevailed. While Tagwirei has the financial capital to leverage and support his ambitions, the question is, does he have political capital to position himself as a serious contender to succeed Mnangagwa, who wants to extend his rule by 2 more years to 2030? Is Tagwirei an alternative to take Zimbabwe forward? Question mark. Ndo zvuka chibvunzo panguva ino Tagwirei achinyasobuda pachena Jonas kuonekwa kunzi aiwa this man ane ambitions epower. Mari Zimbabwe mpoti dzemafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.